Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and welcome back guys to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to break down some of the stocks and CFDs I see value in February of 2019. So these are some of the stocks and CFDs I am going to be trading on and we're gonna discuss these, but as usual I am always encouraging you not to trade based on other people's opinions. It's always best that you watch the charts yourself, and for those who are newbies, for those who are newbie traders, I'm always encouraging to, you should start learning of how, how the pattern, start learning technical patterns, and the directions of the trades, so that you will understand the value of some of the great stocks and CFDs you can generate profits on. Anyway guys, so without any further delays, let's get started. So before I start, you are welcome to join my day trading academy. The link is below the video. So if you are a newbie trader or experienced trader but you are willing to become an independent trader from home, then you can join my academy. We also have day trading group where we share our trading ideas and trades that you will be able to simply copy from our private trading group. And yeah, so these are some of the profits from yesterday. So yesterday we generated 2,299 euro. So these are some of the trades. You can check the video out, from my channel, guys. Everything is documented right here. Yes, so these are some of the trades that these are some of the big trades we are experiencing from day-to-day basis. Again, markets are different every day, but these are the signals you can copy from our private trading group. So if you want to become our member, check it out. The link is below the video. But let's talk about some of these stocks. So the first stock is Tesla, guys. Okay, so the Tesla. So Tesla, why Tesla? Why we see value in Tesla and why you should consider and watch Tesla on your charts? Again, you can find the Tesla stock or a Tesla CFD instrument on most of the broker accounts. So Tesla ticker is TSLA. So if you have a broker's account, search in a search bar for TSLA and you should be able to see a stock, either a CFD instrument or Tesla stock. Yeah, so let's take a look at it. So why we see value in Tesla for next upcoming weeks? So first of all, Tesla will report fourth quarter earnings on January the 30th, which is actually tomorrow. So from tomorrow you can expect some good, a good bit of volatility going on. And the more volatile the market, the more the more opportunities there are for us as day traders to make short-term or long-term profits depending on what asset you trade. So so the quarterly earnings is going to be announced tomorrow, okay, the 30th of January, and this is a big thing for Tesla. Big thing for Tesla because it should not only increase the value of the particular shares, stock. Shares. It should also when you look at the actual graph, you will see that it's bouncing from its all-time low. So its all-time low was around this area, and now the price. So the price for as today, as right now, is 294.10. Okay. But if you look at the chart right here, you can see that the price of the Tesla share was a little bit over 350, on the 17th of January. But today is the 29th of January, 12 days after bumps, the price fell up to 280.60. Then it bounced back up here, but as you can see right here, we have really strong resistance. Well, it was a strong resistance right here, but yeah, around this area right here, but which was broken, multiple times. So it was broken 1, 2. So it was broken multiple times. But what's gonna happen now is that tomorrow there is going to be the quarterly earnings released, and this should really affect and pump the price up for sure, according to the other analysts as well. And this is a great opportunity because not only because of that news release that's going to happen tomorrow, but because of this all-time low, as you can see right here, bumps. It literally so from 17th of so it jumped from it fell from 350 to 295 in yeah, so from 1722, so in 5 days, in less than a week. And now, you know, these news from tomorrow could affect, you know, and it could affect and create this bull run. So this is one of the stocks that you could watch, and this is some of the stock that I am going to be watching. I'm going to be trading tomorrow most likely. You're welcome to follow our day trading group if you remember. So next one is Amazon. Yeah, the Amazon is a strong stock at the moment. And when looking at the news, okay, we're looking at the news. News looks really bullish. Okay, really bullish. There is a lot of hype going on. You know, many companies, you know, also want to join, are going to join Amazon. I think there was something about Harley Davidson investing in Amazon as well. But the thing is this, that you know, it's expected, you know, to reach about $2,000 mark. Okay, about $2,000 mark. Where is the Amazon now? The Amazon now is at this stage. It's 1600 at the moment. 1600 at the moment, but you know, but according to the news and according to the current statistics and according to the professional professional investors and analysts out there, most of them are really bullish for Amazon for this quarter, you know, for this quarter alone. And again, there are many opportunities for Amazon. You know, this not only indicates that that Amazon is going to be volatile, you know, next month and after that. It's clearly indicating for us as day traders that you know, this is something we should be watching. This is something there could be great value in especially in the day trades. You know, short-term trades. Yeah. Anyway, so. Let me check what else is. Make sure that you do take a look at those, you know, those stocks that you wanna invest in. Again, the Amazon. Let's look at the Amazon. So let's take a look at it. So here we can see that this is Amazon is actually touching really strong. It's touching its support right now. Okay, it's touching support right now, and so the price has price fell to 1,341, so 1,340's range, and this was before New Year. But look what's happening right here. What's happening right here is that it's respecting its really strong support. So what we expect, that the price is going to jump. That's going to jump from this point forward. You know, that there could be some solid bull run forming, but again, look at this. So this is our support right now, and it's touching our support right now. If I was going to trade, I could actually already place a buy order at this level at 1589.80. You know, but there was little spike, so there was a drop. So this area could be great buy trade. Okay, again, you can see this corridor. There is another there is a resistance right here. So put your stop loss around. Put your stop loss to the next resistance. Well, next resistance will be here. So around 1680's range. So 1590 to 1680 would be your exit. But again, watch the news. There are a lot of news being released, you know, regarding Amazon. But the news guys are bullish. But yeah. So regarding the Amazon, don't jump in blindly. Okay. So before you place trade, before you before you look for any buy opportunity, my recommendation would be to use 2 exponential moving average lines. I didn't talk about this one on Tesla, because Tesla is really solid. So there was solid analysis done regarding Tesla. It's bullish. It's all-time low. You know, not all-time low, but it's looking, you know, looking to go north. So there is no questions about Tesla. But regarding Apple, my recommendation would be to use these 2 lines. Look at this. I have blue line and a red line. The blue line is exponential moving average line 180. And the second line is red line, which is exponential moving average line 365, because there are 365 days a year. Basically, these two lines are showing us one thing. Is it an upward trend or downward trend, you know? And where did the directions change? Where did the change of direction happen? And yeah, so look at here. Look what happened here. So look where my mouse is. So from here to here. So from here to here, we can see that the markets went up. Sorry, if the blue line is above the red line, the market is experiencing upward movement. If the red line is above the blue line, then the markets are going down. And we can see the crossover happening here, which was which was in this area right here. But yeah, but at the moment, as we can see, the price is downwarding. Okay, price is downwarding, but that's why. When you look at the news, there are a lot of news pumping out regarding Amazon and February, and that many companies are going to join. So this obviously, what's going to happen? All the positive news out there is impacting that stock positively. So that's why you know, pay attention to Amazon for February. There could be great buying opportunities. And next one is the Apple. So next one is the Apple, guys. So yeah, when looking at the Apple, the best is if you go to tradingview.com, click on Apple Inc. and just look at Apple in general. Well, tradingview.com is really, I mean, I love TradingView. TradingView is completely for free. You can watch the news, you can look how the dividends were paid out, you can look what's the current situation in the market about all of these assets. It's so great. So let's take a look at the Apple. So here we go. So Apple. So when you look at Apple, you know, again, a long-term situation regarding Apple is really bullish, you know, long term. So now it's January. Now it's just end of January, you know, and markets are looking really bullish regarding Apple. So there will be, I'm not saying there could be, there will be many great trading opportunities regarding Apple, and this is when going long. So now I'm talking about these stocks which we want to invest when the price is low, and then we're gonna sell when the price is higher. But don't forget that we as a day traders, or if you trade forex or CFD, we know that we make money from upward market and downward market. So and remember that, you know, when there are negative news if there are negative news that are being released which impacts market negatively, that's somewhere where we will place sell positions and sell trades. This is something I showed you yesterday and before yesterday, you know, when I was talking about the trades we placed from my private group. So about Apple, and there's no surprises, no questions, you can look in yourself. Yeah, the forecast for Apple is really solid, guys, you know. So let's take a look at the Apple the price at the moment. So the price for Apple at the moment, it's 155.59. But I just want to show you some technical bit of it, you know, because it's really nice to see. So here we go. So Apple experienced downward movement, you know, and now it's end of January. And regarding, well, when we take into consideration the analyst forecasts that there are going to be turnaround going on here. So the markets are looking bullish, you know, especially after next week, you know, when we kick into February. So watch out, guys, watch out. So look at this. So what happened with let's watch Apple a little bit now. So look what happened to the Apple. So the markets were moving up to this point right here. The last November, and the price went down. And it kind of found its support. Let's take a look at 2 hours so that we can see a bigger picture. So as you can see, it has found its support. Well, it broke its first support right here at this area, over 160's range. It was broken already a long time ago. Okay, and but but what's happening now is that it actually found its support from 150s 140s to 150s range. And what's happening is that's it, the support has been found and the markets are looking to go north. And when you look at fundamentals, the news forecasts all look green, all look positive. Again, many companies are looking to join and to kick in. And it's, again, remember, it's only end of January, so next month we can experience, markets really starting to move. Yeah, so that's another great stock to watch, and I'm going to put my alerts. You know that you can put your alerts, like it doesn't matter if you use your Forex broker or CFD broker or digital options broker, you can, or you use tradingview.com. You can just simply click here and put your trading alerts, guys, okay? So you can just right click on a mouse, put your trading alerts, and you will be alerted whenever the price is going to hit particular point. Oh, this is free for you guys, so use this free tool. Why shouldn't you? It's completely for free, and you can use your mobile device as well. So you can use your phone, and you will get your notification on your phone whenever price has been reached. So look for look for the fundamentals, guys, and expect markets to move. And now what else? So Netflix and Google. Also, guys, please watch the Netflix and Google, because these two, these two again, they look very bullish. But you need to pay attention because, well, regarding Google, there are news being released regarding Google all of the time. I mean, all of the time, really, all of the time. I was speaking about Google, so during this video there was maybe several reviews already released, during this video alone. But when you look at the professional analysts, and the news and the forecasts, they look green, guys. They look positive. So it means that you should see markets really kicking off. So yes, guys. So Tesla, Amazon, and Apple are my top 3. Netflix and Google would conclude my top 5. So these guys, this is how we analyze the markets. When we look at at some of the fundamentals. All of this can be seen in the TradingView.com. If you go on TradingView.com. If you go, guys, on TradingView.com, so I'm gonna just show you guys. If you go on TradingView.com, just make sure that you look at the market summary. Just click on the market summary and take a look at some of the securities that you trade for that particular day, and you're gonna see there's so much relevant information. Even if you look at these alone, even if you look at these alone, you should be able to to at least have some knowledge, a notion of where are the markets going. Where are the markets going? So thanks, guys, for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you're interested to become successful independent online trader from home. You're welcome to join my training academy, which is called Income Mentor Box. Check incomementorbox.com. You're welcome to join us. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, any issues, any problems, please email us at incomementorbox@gmail.com. So we see you guys again next time. Bye.